Welcome to the O'Connor Elder Law channel. I'm your host, Melissa O'Connor. I'm a Florida-based elder law attorney who does estate planning focusing on long-term care needs, commonly referred to as Medicaid planning, and I do probate, and I do it well. Today I wanted to talk to you about two myths that I hear in Medicaid crisis planning situations. And the first myth that I hear, and it breaks my heart when I hear it, is that somebody was advised that it was just too late to plan. In other words, they were just told, listen, you waited way too long. There's this 5-year look-back period. You need long-term care now. You didn't plan ahead for this. And based on the monies that you have and how you hold them, it's just too late. So just spend down your monies towards by cash paying for long-term care needs. And don't worry about your legacy at this point because it's just too late. And it breaks my heart when I hear people in my community that were given that advice or told that because it's never too late. Of course, plans, we could have made a better plan had somebody planned ahead, but that doesn't mean that there was no plan available to people who are late in the game and find themselves needing long-term care benefits that would be best provided through a Medicaid application, but they have excess assets or excess income streams. There are still tools that we can use and plans that we can put in place. So I highly encourage people who may have heard that it's too late or seen somebody else suffer the consequences from that sort of myth or recommendation. Please seek out an elder law attorney in your community and at least get a consult, at least see what type of planning is available in your crisis situation, and don't just give up on that as an option, because there are many times tools that we can put in place and plans that are available, and I just encourage you to reach out for that consult. The second myth that I commonly hear, which also is concerning to me, is that the nursing home will do your Medicaid application for free, so there's no need to reach out to an elder law attorney for this sort of assistance. And I can't tell you how many times nursing home facilities they're not attorneys, they don't practice law, and they don't always get their applications right. And while they may have a really great in-house processor, I just wouldn't want your application to be left to somebody who doesn't specialize in this area, and we don't know how long they've been on that job at that particular nursing home. And many times they're only filling out this application after you've spent down all of your legacy monies, and they are not helping you fill out a Medicaid application and plan for any sort of asset or income protection. So you're really missing out if you think that you're just going to rely on the staff of the nursing home facility to assist you with your Medicaid application. Many times people just see free, but in reality it's not free. That, of course, you've paid for those types of services through the nursing home engagement agreement. And like I said, they are not attorneys, and they have no fiduciary interest to you with regards to your application process. They may have a fiduciary relationship to your loved one to ensure that they provide proper medical care, but not any sort of fiduciary relationship to provide the proper legal and financial advice that might be required for Medicaid application. And so I just highly encourage you again to reach out to an elder law attorney to inquire about a consult as to what it would look to have somebody else assist you with your Medicaid application if you believe that is what you need to do as your next step to be able to fund your long-term care needs or that of your loved one. I'm based here in Florida. I do offer free initial consultations where I can talk about these sorts of issues, or whatever issue that is of concern to you. And if you would like to reach out to me, you're welcome to do so. I'm, at o'connorelderlaw.com. If not me, I just highly encourage you to reach out to any elder law attorney to make sure that you get proper advice and guidance before you either abandon the whole idea of Medicaid planning, or put your application into the hands of someone who may be less qualified to assist you. If this information has been helpful to you, I ask that you like and share with others. And as always, thank you for joining me.